Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making power impossible. Shut down, unplug AC, and remove the battery so you won't short anything. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and keep screws organized in labeled groups. This saves time during reassembly. Now remove the service hatch or bottom panel using a Phillips #0. You'll see the heat pipe assembly, fans, and the GPU module. Make sure to photograph each step. Pictures are quick insurance against mistakes and clarify which screws go where. You'll continue by disconnecting the fan header and any display or board cables that block access. Next, loosen the heatsink screws in a diagonal star pattern so pressure releases evenly. Then lift the heat pipe assembly off the GPU and CPU together to avoid bending the board. If the GPU is on a module, unscrew its bracket and unplug the MXM or ribbon connector. Keep track of thermal paste and thermal pads. They matter for heat transfer when you reinstall or replace parts. You now remove the GPU module by sliding or unscrewing it from its slot, handling only the edges to avoid component damage. Once out, clean old thermal paste from both GPU die and heatsink with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. If you plan to reinstall, apply a thin, even layer of new paste. Reassemble the cooling assembly and panels in reverse, reconnect cables, then boot the machine and monitor temperatures to verify proper cooling. If it fails to boot,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.